Welcome to Northstar Kia, your most trusted automotive dealership located in Long Island City, Queens. Let's take a quick tour of one of the vehicles we have in stock today. Introducing this dynamic 2022 Mitsubishi Mirage Es, now available in an enticing blue metallic finish. With an impressive 39 mpg combined fuel efficiency, this compact car ensures remarkable economy without compromising performance. Highlighting its appearance, this Mirage features stylish 15-inch alloy wheels that not only enhance its look but also contribute to a smooth ride. Safety takes the forefront in the Mirage, equipped with advanced safety functions including a rear-view camera, lane departure warning, and forward collision mitigation, ensuring your peace of mind on every journey. Step inside to discover a world of comfort and convenience. Sink into well-crafted seats, while the 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system offers seamless connectivity and entertainment. With its spacious cabin and modern features, the 2022 Mitsubishi Mirage Es transforms every drive into a delightful experience. Experience the future of driving with the 2022 Mitsubishi Mirage Es. Elevate your drives with the perfect blend of efficiency, safety, and comfort. Visit us today. Northstar Kia stands out as a premier choice for used car purchases due to its wide selection of quality vehicles, thorough inspection process, and transparent history reports. Their customer-centric approach, competitive pricing, and strong reputation further solidify Northstar Kia as a trusted destination for a hassle-free and satisfying used car buying experience. Like and subscribe to view all the new and used vehicles we currently have in stock. Embark on your car buying journey with confidence. Schedule a test drive and visit us today. Unlocking possibilities. Delivering quality. Only at Northstar Kia.